Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your background on PS5. To begin, power on your console and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the small gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your access point to all system settings. Selecting this icon will open a new menu with many important customization options, allowing you to personalize your system's overall experience and visual settings. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Screen and Video or Themes option. Unlike previous PlayStation consoles, the PS5 currently uses a dynamic approach to backgrounds. It focuses less on static custom images and more on integrated visual experiences linked to your games. This design choice provides a more consistent and immersive user interface overall. The PS5 primary background feature is its dynamic display of game art. As you highlight different games on your home screen, the background art will automatically change to reflect the selected title. This means you will see beautiful, high-resolution artwork directly from your favorite games, offering a constantly fresh and engaging visual experience without manual changes. It truly integrates the game art. While custom image backgrounds are not directly supported, you can still enhance your PS5 visual presentation. Within the screen and video settings, you can adjust screen brightness, color output, and even HDR settings to optimize how backgrounds appear on your television. Consider exploring options for the user interface color or background music to further personalize your overall dashboard experience. These small tweaks can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.